Hey, so I wanted to put together this quick video. I'm actually packing right now for a trip and I'm going to be gone for a whole month. So I kind of wanted to walk through my packing process. I think this might be helpful to some of you guys. Okay, I'm going to show you everything that I started packing in a minute, but here are the things I go through first before I start laying out clothes and packing my actual suitcase. One, I think about, okay, where am I headed? So I'm going to the Philippines. It's a tropical country. It's going to be, I believe, in the 80s or 90s during the day. The humidity is like 70 to 80% at least, sometimes 90%. So it's a little bit rainy there. So it's going to be very hot and very wet, and I'm trying to stay as cool as possible. So what I'm thinking is, light layers or light clothing in general, light colored and like light fabric. The second thing is like, what am I going to be doing when I'm there? So for me personally, I'm mostly just hanging out, chilling with the family, just really relaxing and spending time with family and friends. So I don't really have any big plans or formal plans. So I don't need to bring a suit or anything like dressy like that. I think when you think of those two things specifically, like the length of time is one, and then two, like where exactly you're going, and three, like the weather, where you're going, and then three, like some of the events or things that you might need to do when you get there. I think that helps to really inform what types of stuff you should be packing. So for me in this case, nothing formal, a lot of light layers, a lot of light colors, and hopefully just try to be as comfortable as possible while still dressing, sharp and looking good. So here's everything that I'm bringing, or that I'm thinking of bringing right now. Okay, starting with the bottoms here, I'm gonna bring a pair of light wash denim, and then I have a pair of like army green or olive green chinos. And then I have some shorts here. I have a pair of like army green shorts, chino shorts, and then I have a pair of gray chino shorts. And then I have a pair of corduroy, light colored, like cream or off-white color shorts. So those are the 5 pairs of the bottoms that I have, right? And then moving on to the shirts, I have like this sort of seersucker striped camp collar shirt. And then I have a striped Oxford cloth button-down shirt, stretchy and lightweight. And then I have this striped camp collar shirt that I wear a lot, and I have a navy linen shirt here. So those are the 4 like shirts I'm bringing. And then over here I have some t-shirts. I have a navy and white striped t-shirt here. I have like an off-white and black stripe, and then I have a white t-shirt and a black t-shirt. So those are like the sort of like the tops that I'm thinking about bringing. If you look at everything that I have here, one thing I really take into consideration too when I'm packing is like I want to make sure that every pair of pants or shorts goes with every single top I'm bringing, right? So does this pair of light wash denim go with this shirt? Yes, it does. Does it go with this shirt? Yes. Does it go with this shirt? Yes. Does it go with this shirt? Yes. Does it go with all of these t-shirts that I'm bringing? Yes, it does. Okay? And I go through and I think about, for each pair of pants, I think about that over and over, just to make sure that everything goes with everything else. Because if it does, then I don't have to think too hard about, when I'm getting ready in the morning. I don't have to think about matching or like what looks good together. I just know that everything goes. So really I can just pick whatever I feel like wearing that day and it's gonna work. So that is the main stuff I'm bringing. And then also let me mention shoes, which I have right here on my chair. I'm bringing a pair of white, these are really beat up white leather sneakers with a gum sole. These are from Ace Marks. And then I have this pair of GH Bass tan loafers. They're suede with a lug sole, super lightweight and comfortable. That's another thing I think about. Does this pair of shoes go with every single pair of pants and shirt combination I might want to wear? I already went through this, and yes, it does. I can even wear it with my shorts. Beautiful. White sneakers, white sneakers go with everything, so does it match with the jeans? Obviously, yes. Does it match with every pair of shirt or every shirt I might want to wear with these pants or shorts? Yes, it does. So that is everything I think about when I'm putting together, the tops and bottoms that I want to bring. I just want to make sure that everything goes together. I do the same thing for my belts too. The belts I'm going to bring, not only does it match with the shoes, but is it going to match with everything, every single potential outfit I put together? Yes. Brown leather belt will definitely go with everything I have that I'm bringing with me. Same with a gray canvas belt. This one's from Anson. Does it go with every single thing that I am planning on bringing? Pretty much, yeah. So I think I'm good. I think I'm in the clear there. I can literally wear anything, any sort of potential pair that you can make here. It'll work together as an outfit. So that's exactly how I think it through when I'm packing and making sure that, the outfits are going to match. I don't have to worry about that because I know that everything that I packed individually will all go together. On top of that, I'm bringing stuff for, you know, like the pool. I have these EVA Birkenstocks for the pool. I have some trunks. I have a set of workout clothes here, some shirts. And then over there is just boxer briefs and, you know, undershirts and some socks and stuff like that. And then I have some more like stuff to wear in the house. So that is every single thing that I'm thinking about taking with me to this trip. There's a chance I might like whittle this down a little bit and maybe remove a shirt or two or a pair of shorts or something. I haven't decided that yet, but I also have to consider, like, do I have access to a washer or dryer? I don't know if I will or not, because I'm staying mostly in hotels and I don't know if I can do that or not. That's another thing to think about if you're taking a long trip. Will you have access to washing some stuff? So that is pretty much my thought process when I'm packing for any trip, whether it's a week, whether it's a couple days, whether it's an entire month. I just want to make sure, one, that, well, first of all, what I think about is like, where am I going? How hot or cold will it be there? What kind of event is it? Do I need to be dressed up or can I be casual? What am I doing? Are there any activities that I need to have specific clothes for? I think about all those things first, and then I start laying out clothing on the bed, and then I think about, okay, does each pair of pants go with every shirt that I'm bringing? Every pair of shorts, does it go with every shirt and shoe and belt combination? If it does, then I know I'm golden. I don't have to worry about, you know, if things are going to match when I get to my destination. I don't have to think about too hard about what outfits I'm going to wear or what I'm going to put together. Hopefully that is helpful. It's a little run and gun of a video. I think this is useful, and I find my method to be pretty bulletproof. This is how I've been packing for, I don't know, the last decade or two. So if you have any questions, just let me know. That's it. I'll catch you in the next one.